Insert the lock body into the door gap. Install the mortise. Tighten the screws. Install the cylinder. Align and tighten side screws. Secure the lock cylinder. When installing the lock cylinder, if the tailpiece is too long, we need to cut it to size. Leave a 10 mm gap from the door edge. Insert the spindle. Install with the short end facing inward. If the spindle is too long, we need to cut it. Leave a 3 to 4 cm gap from the door edge. Assemble the gasket with the front lock. Align the two sleeves with the mounting holes of the front lock. Choose the installation position according to your specific lock model. Then use pliers to tighten them more securely. Assemble the gasket with the base plate. Install the tailpiece onto the fixed serpentine knob at the bottom of the rear lock. Insert the split pin. Secure the tailpiece in place. Hold the split pin flat. Install the front panel. Thread the wires through the door. Ensure the front lock and base plate are aligned perpendicular to the door edge. After confirming alignment, thread the wires through the base plate. Connect the wires to the rear lock. Install the spindle with the shorter end facing the lock. Align the holes and center the square rod before installation. Tuck the excess wires into the door gap. Then secure the rear lock with screws. Insert the batteries. Replace the rear lock cover. Test the lock. Contact us now.